Good morning and welcome to My FinTax Chronicles for today 21st May 2025. Economic outlook. Core growth slows. Core sector output grew just 0.5% in April, slowest in 8 months. Monsoon arrives early. Monsoon expected in Kerala by May 24th to 25th, earliest in 16 years. GDP profit divergence. FY25 sales rose 7%, but net profit grew only 9% YoY. Legal developments. Flipkart monopoly charge. Supreme Court calls Flipkart monopolistic, appoints amicus to assess market impact. SC Nixis BPSL deal. JSW Steel's Bhushan Power takeover scrapped, risking loss of tax concessions. Banking and finance. Tata Cap impairment rises. Tata Capital impairment jumps 311% YoY to 3,072 crore rupees in FY25. NFRA targets Gencil. Audit regulator begins probe into Gencil after reports of financial irregularities. NBFC profit grows 4%. Tata Capital's FY25 profit rose just 4% despite surging interest income. Super.mo Nai eyes neobank. Flipkart backed Super.mo Nai eyes top 5 neobank status via expanded offerings. FDI in nuclear likely. India may allow up to 49% foreign investment in nuclear power sector. Corporate finance. Hindalco profit jumps. Hindalco Q4 profit rose 66% YoY to 5,283 crore rupees, beating estimates. DLF sales record. DLF records all-time high sales of 21,223 crore rupees for FY25 period. RIL appeals Gazprom. Reliance challenges ruling in Supreme Court over $1.7 billion ONGC dispute. Renault eyes full JV. Renault seeks to acquire 51% Nissan stake in Indian joint venture. Najara buys Curve Games. Najara acquires Curve Games for 247 crore rupees to strengthen global gaming presence. Honda sets CV plant. Honda to open electric two-wheeler plant in India by year 2028. International affairs. China cuts benchmark. China reduces lending rates to counter trade impact from US tariffs. India's global lobby. Indian delegations visit 32 nations excluding China for anti-terror diplomacy support. Tax and compliances. CCI simplifies M&As. FM urges faster approval for mergers posing no competition law violations. CCI clears Bajaj deal. CCI approves Bajaj's 24,180 crore rupees deal to acquire Allianz India stake. Investments and finance. Hindalco plans 8,000 rupees CR capex. Hindalco to invest 8,000 crore rupees in India during FY26 expansion phase. 7 IPOs get green light. SEBI approves IPOs for 7 companies including Credila and Caliber Mining. DLF sees 21,000 rupees CR sales. DLF clocks 21,223 crore rupees in FY25 sales, driven by luxury segment demand. Hyundai bets on exports. Hyundai to increase exports to 30% of production by FY30 amid slowdown. Lupin Honeywell pact. Lupin joins Honeywell for greener HFO inhalers amid rising eco-compliance needs. Financial markets. Markets shed 5.6 rupees TRM. Equity markets lost 5.6 trillion rupees in value amid broad-based financial sell-off. Sensex down 1.06%. Sensex drops 873 points to 81,186 due to pressure in banking stocks. Small cap index falls. Nifty small cap 100 dipped 0.9% as investor sentiment remained under pressure. Cattle soars 16% on debut. Cattle shares rise 16% post $4.6 billion IPO debut in Hong Kong.